Welcome to ATP Customs. Today, I have something fun for you Mustang guys. Matt White is bringing down his Mustang finally. I've been waiting for this for a while. His beastly Mustang. Welcome to ATP Customs. Today's feature is Matt White's 88 Mustang. I've been waiting for this car to get down here for a while. Matt White is my painter. He has painted most of my vehicles, my Jimmy, my Acadian, a pile of them, I can't even count them all. So he brought his car down to get featured, and then we're going to bring his other car down this week to get that one featured. So we have an 88 Mustang with a 331 stroker, 170cc aluminum heads. I believe he's still running 24-pound injectors, but we have a supercharger laying around for this thing, and he's going to bring it down to the shop and install it pretty soon. We have a Cobra R SVO hood. That blue color has been color matched to the Ziox 18-inch wheels, which are discontinued. You can't get these. We have a Concept X front bumper. I see little LEDs in the headlights. For stereo and interior. Lots of fun stuff in there. Let's check it out. He's got custom seats. He has racing seat belts. I see a custom console that he's built himself. All autometer gauges. This thing is running EFI Live to control it. Kenwood deck. We have some Kicker 10-inch subs. Looks pretty exciting. He's running 6-inch kickers in the doors, 6x9 kickers in the rear, two 10-inch kickers, Soliberic subs. We have a ZX 1000 monoblock amp, a ZX 650 amp. Falcon tires on that. I haven't run Falcon tires yet. I'm gonna have to try them out one day. There you go. Beautiful car. I think I'm gonna have to get the hood open. Yes, a BBK cold air intake. It's got the chrome upgraded alternator, MSD. I see BBK headers on this thing. You're going to see all of that stuff going away pretty quick. Another serious upgrade on this car. There you go. Matt White's 88 Mustang. What a beautiful car. Very happy to have this thing down here. I love seeing awesome, beautiful cars in my shop. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe. What are you doing, Matt?
Changing the fuel table so that it's idling a little better.
I kind of like the idle. It's going to sound like that when you have the supercharger on anyway, so you can leave it.
Trying to save fuel then.